discuss about quarterly settlement of funds. What is quarterly settlement of funds? All brokers in India follow a system called running account. Running account means your account is kept live, whereby all the debits and credits are entered there, all your purchases and sales are entered there, and the net balance reflects your balance. This is called running account. SEBI wants, though the account is maintained running account, it should be compulsorily settled at least once in a month or once in a quarter, depending upon the client's requirement. Every client, while opening the account, has to give an option how he wants the settlement of his running account, monthly or quarterly. Depending upon the option you give, the accounts are settled quarterly or monthly. If you opt for a quarterly settlement, this on the before the end of the quarter, whatever amount is lying in your account will be returned back to you. Only the amount due to the client, due to the broker, because of the obligation or the margin requirement, plus additional 125% of the margin for volatility will be retained. All the other balances will be returned to you. If you opt for monthly settlement, every month the amount will be settled. Between any two settlements, there cannot be more than 90 days. At least once in 90 days, this account has to be settled. Apart from this, there is one more thing. If the account is not active in the last 1 month, that is, if you are not traded for the last 30 days, then the broker has to return your money within the next 3 days. The broker will return the money within the next 3 days. So, if you want to keep the money with the broker, if you want to trade, in the near future, see that at least your account is traded once in a month. If 1 month of continuous non-trading, the broker cannot keep the account and he has to settle back the accounts. Hence, this can be a problem if you want to trade later or if you want to suddenly purchase a share, because without required margin, broker cannot purchase the share now. Hence, please keep track of your account. If you want to trade the account, keep live the account, or otherwise return back the money. The broker will also send you the statement clearly showing the retention amount, for what purpose he has retained, clearly showing the securities he has retained, for what purpose he has retained. So all details will be in the retention statement. Whenever in the quarterly settlement, if you get a payment, always refer to the retention statement and check it. This will avoid all unnecessary misunderstandings. Thank you very much.